All right, guys, welcome back to PackWiseGear. So the last couple of weeks, we are doing a series of videos on tech pouches, which are 2-liter capacity and maximum 2.5-liter capacity in that range. And we have picked various ones. But there's one winner. Remember, I said we're going to choose one winner from that series of videos. And drum roll, the winner is Aer Cable Kit 3 in this X-Pac edition. Now, the competition was very tight, especially when you have EVERGOODS CAP2 in there. But what I'm looking at is various things. A pack which is versatile enough to take your gadgets, take your tech, take your daily vitamins, take your multi-tools, and also hold its shape well, and also doesn't have a lot of footprint in your luggage, which is your backpack or your roller. ID is multi-capable and your go-to kind of a pouch. And the most important thing is the price range as well. This comes in different fabrics, and you can have affordable version and to most expensive version as well. So this is the ultimate winner from our 2-liter capacity series videos of pouches. Now, there are runner-ups. The runner-up is CAP2. Okay, that's number 2 place. Very good pouch, love it, use it, but doesn't give you that capability which Aer Cable Kit does when it comes to carry your gadgets. Padding is there, absolutely perfect. Fabrics quality, great. But sometimes padding is also adding a lot of footprint and less holding stuff in your luggage or backpack. Okay, so that's why I think Aer Cable Kit has a little bit more edge. Okay. The last but not least, the 3rd place goes to Peak Design Tech Pouch. This is Coyote X-Pac, beautiful color. This is also very versatile. You can use this. And by the way, all my reviews here are honest, as nobody is sponsoring any of these videos, and nobody is making my decision change with their products. So it's purely how I'm using them today, how I've used them in the past, and what are my thoughts on these packs. Okay, so anyway, so just concluding on my last week's review of the 2-liter packs, the ultimate winner is Cable Kit 3 from Aer. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the links of all these packs which we have reviewed in the description. And unfortunately, I have a bad news that Cable Kit 3 is sold out at this point in all fabrics. But I hope it comes back up, and if it does, grab one. Thank you very much. Keep watching PackWiseGear.